Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you a simple way to do pedicure at home, and you will need only a few ingredients which you will get at your home easily. So let's get started. First of all, please excuse me because my feet look the ugliest, but I had to shoot like this, otherwise you wouldn't notice the change of before and after. So it's winter right now and almost all the time I have to wear socks, and skin is also getting dry, so it's a nice time to give your feet a nice and relaxing pedicure. So follow me, follow these steps, and you will get beautiful feet by the end of this video. First of all, remove all your nail polish and then take lukewarm water in a tub. The temperature must be comfortable for your feet, and I have also added some essential oil like tea tree oil. So tea tree oil will calm and soothe your feet, and if you have smelly feet or bacterial infection, then tea tree oil will help you in that case. And after that, I'm going to add some soap like shampoo in the water and just gently turn it to mix it well with the water. And then I'm going to put my feet in the water and just relax and listen to music or do any other work like reading books. So just keep your feet soaked for about 20 to 30 minutes and just relax, just calm down and enjoy the time of your pedicure. And this mark that you see on my nail, it's a blood clot. I got hurt last time when I went to Delhi. I fell down and broke my nail. So that's it. I'm just waiting for it to grow out. So now we have to take a feet scrubbing brush. I have taken this double-sided brush, and with that I'm going to slowly scrub my feet and scrub off all the dead skin cell. The whole point of soaking the feet was to soften the cell so that you don't have to struggle while scrubbing. You can also use a pumice stone if you have. So just scrub it gently so that you get rid of all the dead skin cell, and that is the idea of this. And it's always a good idea to place a towel or a piece of cloth beneath your feet and all this tub and keep your stuff on it so that the floor doesn't get dirty. Now with the brush side, I'll dust off the dead skin cells. Now we have to scrub your feet. This is a DIY homemade scrub using honey and coffee, and it works wonders. You can use this on your face, even on your hands, on your body. I'll scrub both my feet using this scrub gently and then leave it on like that for a few minutes. Now take some clean water in the tub once again and just wash off all the scrub from your feet properly so that nothing sticks in your feet. And if you're using especially this honey and coffee scrub, then you have to be extra careful because honey is very sticky and you have to get rid of all the honey. Now wipe the water off your feet. I am using the humble old gamcha because I'm a Bengali and gamcha is an integral part of my life. Now you have to clip your nails down, or you can also file them down. That would be a better idea. And after that, I'll just smooth down the edges by filing them, and then I'll just apply some olive oil as a cuticle oil to soften down my cuticles. You can also use a cuticle oil if you have. I am just using olive oil because not everyone has cuticle oil, and olive oil is a good alternative. So I'll just massage the oil on my nail bed and just leave it on for a few minutes so that my cuticles get some time to soften. As a cuticle pusher, I'm using a wooden toothpick in case you don't have a cuticle pusher. So I am scraping off my cuticle using this toothpick, but I have also cut the edge down so that it is not that sharp. And do not forget to clean the underside of your nails as well. So in this way, you just have to scrape off the cuticle. So we're almost at the end of this routine. I'll finally use a foot cream to moisturize my feet gently and to hydrate my feet after all this routine work with water and soap and scraping of cuticle and everything. So my feet will now look healthy as it is looking right now. But the nails are still bare and susceptible to all sorts of damage, so it's time to cover your nails with your favorite nail paint. But before that, do not forget to apply a proper base coat to protect your natural nails and also to make your pedicure long lasting. After that, choose your favorite nail paint and just paint your nails and make them look beautiful. After you've done painting your nails, do not forget to put on a good coat of a long lasting top coat to seal your pedicure for a longer time. So yep, that's it, my finished pedicure routine. I used everything that is easily available in your home, and I hope you guys like this whole tutorial, whole pedicure routine, and would like to try this out. If you do so, do not forget to inform me by writing in the comment down below. Like this video, share with your friends, and before you leave, please subscribe to my channel. See you super soon. Bye.